Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can create stickers in using Midjourney. Stickers, simple, artistic, colorful, you name it, I'll show you how you can do it. And I hope at the end of this video you will learn something. So now let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So now this is the first sticker I created. It's simplistic but a bit of details I added to the sticker, and I'll show you how you can do it. So those are the prompts I used for the sticker. So a die cut, always use die cut, die cut or a kiss cut. The difference is that there is this white around the sticker, so use die cut, and then write sticker of something soldier. I write who is very serious. You can write again sticker and high quality, or you can also write high or white background if you want a specific background. And you can also write 2D or flat art or cartoon or vector art, and these are important details as well. But now it depends on it's up to you, depends on what you want. But if you don't want no text, write in the prompt no lettering, no text, no image noise, okay, if that's what you want. And now let me show you the next one I created. So I wrote die cut sticker of a dog with chibi eyes and dark colors with a sad face sticker, no lettering. And as you can see, then you can remove the after you download the you actually select which one you want to use, and then you just download and import a picture, the sticker in Photoshop, and you can edit it in Photoshop. Here if I change to bright colors, now you have some bright colors. Vector art, no noise, no lettering. As if you want something concept, something more realistic a bit, you can write concept art and cute dog, no noise. Vector graphic if you want something more which leans more towards vector art, okay, vector graphic, then just write vector graphic there. Now this is the last one. You can also, as I said, cut sticker of a dog. Concept, you can write concept. Die cut skull only if that's what you want. I always play with words and as many details as possible. And don't forget guys, to try different prompts to experiment, okay, and try as many as you want, and it's going to give you the one that you want for your project. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to use I'll actually copy and paste this prompts, and I'll leave them in the description of this video. So I hope guys you learned something. I hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comment section. I would like to hear your thoughts, and what do you think about this video. If this video helped you, I hope it did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate that.